Hi there, Shyla
And Katie.
from Simply Earth.
We are aromatherapists and we love using essential oils to make our homes toxin-free and sharing those ways with you.
We are going to show you how to make a Christmas candy cane diffuser blend in this video, and we're really excited.
Make all your Christmas dreams come true. To make this diffuser blend, all you need is 2 drops of our Simply Earth candy cane blend and 2 drops of mandarin.
And it's a kid-safe blend, so you can have this diffusing on Christmas morning.
Woo! Just add 2 drops into the diffuser.
Of each.
Yep. And you turn it on and the steam will rise along with the beautiful smell.
Oh yeah, that smells Christmassy.
Christmas in a diffuser! And if you really like this blend, we give 5 milliliter bottles in our bonus box to our subscribers.
You can make a master blend, so you can just pop it out and put it in the diffuser and ready to go.
Boom, Christmas. To make this blend, you just add 50 drops of each of the oils, so mandarin essential oil and candy cane blend into this.
And we even make a label for you.
Yep, so you can remember what is in your special blend.
Ta-da! Now you have your master blend and you're ready to go. For more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com and check out our recipe box.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Have a great Christmas.